Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another Spy Recap. Ricky here, and I hope everybody is doing well. Today is Wednesday, January 14th, 2026, and Spy was down 0.49% today and closed at a price of 690.36. After the PPI inflation data that came out this morning and the CPI from yesterday. So let's take a look and see what's happening here. So on the monthly trend is still up and price is still trading above the monthly basis. The bigger picture is still bullish. And on the weekly trend is also still up. And price is still trading above the weekly basis. The weekly structure is still bullish, but just choppy up here. And on the daily over here, the daily trend is also up, but this is definitely a pullback day. But the price still closed above the daily basis. So this is still an acceptance above the basis. So the bulls are still holding on. And lastly, on the 4-hour time frame here, the 4-hour trend is in a pullback. Price closed below the 4-hour basis today. The last 4-hour candle here pierced the 4-hour lower band, but then it bounced. But still, it did not reclaim the 4-hour basis on this close. So the 4-hour is not back in bullish control until it can close above the 4-hour basis. Big picture summary. So the alignment is mixed because the monthly, the weekly, and the daily are above their basis, but the 4-hour is still below its basis at this moment. So this is a decision zone at this point. And now for the trade idea section here. So for me, I don't see any good trade opportunity here. My playbook favors staying flat right now, and I'll explain why. So a long is not high quality here because the 4-hour is still below its basis. So the reclaim is not confirmed yet. And a short is also not high quality here because the daily is still above the daily basis. So the breakdown is also not confirmed either. So the whipsaw risk here is high because the 4-hour just recently bounced off the 4-hour lower area here and can chop back and forth around these levels. So personally, I actually did open an aggressive long position earlier today at 12 p.m. I entered at 687 around here, but at today's close at 4 p.m. I just exited all of my long aggressive position and stay flat. I think staying flat here is a professional choice, and reassess again tomorrow. And that's it. That's for the update for today. Thank you everybody for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.